What's up, everyone? Welcome to another video on the channel. Thank you for tuning in. We got another Matchbox Moving Parts, and this one is a weird one. This one pretty much has a tricky name. As you can see, if you can read it right there, Renault Trezor Concept. Very weird name. If you know the meaning of it or more information on this particular vehicle, leave it in the comments below. But let's get into it. And this one, pretty much the whole top part opens. That's about it. That's all that it opens. You got a red interior. It looks like a sporty car. The windshield is completely painted red. It's nothing you can see through it or whatever. It's a sleek design. Like I said, it looks more futuristic. There you go, popped it in. So that's the car closed. You know, if I can describe it, it just looks like one of those it's a blend of like a Ferrari, you know, a Corvette. Man, it has a bunch of different, you know, looks, but there it is. This is not one of my favorite ones, but I still got it because it looks pretty funny, pretty funky as well. And yeah, so leave a comment. What do you think about this vehicle? Any thoughts, honest thoughts? And leave a like if you enjoyed the video, if you like these moving parts vehicles, and subscribe if you haven't. That would be greatly appreciated. So have a good one. See you on the next one. Peace.